Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Road. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the sprint cone. So basically, if I just start sprinting and shift right or left, it'll stop my character from sprinting. And I kind of want him to sprint no matter what direction I face. So in order to do that, you're going to head over to your character blueprint. So I'll go to World Settings, Default Pawn Class, to my ACF Ultimate Player, double click into it. And under the ACF movement component, you're going to find a few things here. So you're going to find the state that it can go into. So idle, walking, jogging, and sprint. And basically you can adjust the speed of the sprint or the speed of the state that it's in and how you're going to rotate, whether you want to do forward facing or strafing. And this sprint cone direction will determine how much you can turn. So right now it's 10 as in 10 degrees. And if I were to do something like 180, I'll be able to sprint all the way around. So my character won't break out of sprint no matter where I turn, unless I turn too fast, it looks like. And maybe because I set it to 180. Let me try 360. So with 360, okay, so I see what he's doing. He's just gonna stop because of his turn in place animations. He's just gonna stop because of his turn in place animations and then continue sprinting as long as you just hold the shift button. But yeah, he's just booking it everywhere he goes. So yeah, that's pretty much how you turn up your sprint cone direction, just by going over to your character and turning up that sprint direction cone. Oh, it actually did 3,360, but I'm not sure if that really matters if 360 is a full circle. And let's try sprint at 5,000 just to test the speed. So when I start booking it, yeah, my character's going pretty fast. I can pretty much outrun anything in this map. Dude missed by like 3 miles. Holy crap. And yeah, that's pretty much how you adjust your character's sprint cone and some movement component stuff. Thanks for watching Code of the Road. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. Join the Discord community to just request tutorials there and just communicate with other developers. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.